Good afternoon, everybody. All right, we're going to take the Tiger out once again. This will be the second time that we've used this ship. The first time didn't turn out so good, now did it? All right, it's 82 on the back porch, in the shade, in the beautiful East Texas. Yes, it is. All right, the Tiger class. Well, the Tiger was a battle cruiser, not a battleship. I looked it up, the difference between a battleship and a battle cruiser, and the differences are battle cruisers have the same guns, etc., as a battleship. A battleship has a max speed of approximately 20 knots. And battle cruisers are anywhere from 25 to 30 knots, making them much quicker and pack the same punch. Therefore, a battle cruiser will be faster, more maneuverable. The Tiger has two twin turbine engines with four props, which helps her achieve greater speed. All right, we're going straight into battle. Let's rock and roll. Knock knock. Took out his prop that quick. Caused damage. Oh, I don't want to go that way, folks. I'm going to turn. Might give them a little bigger target, but I'm going to turn and go this way just a little bit. Turn just a little bit more, I might get another gun at him. Alright, now then. Let's take another look-see. Oh yeah, we put some damage on him that time. Alright. And somebody firing at me. I'm not sure where it's coming from exactly. Well, they collided, killed each other. Yes, they did. I'll turn back the other way. And the game started. Darn it.
Problem solved, sir.
I hate it when it does that.
Ship is on fire.
But, hey, it is what it is. We'll be okay with it.
Enemy
I'll get
battleship
that
sunk.
kill. Alright, we're going to turn, folks. Put an auto on here.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Alright, now I ain't gotta worry about that for a little while. Boom, boom, boom. Knock, knock, knock. Yeah, he didn't like that none, now did he? Alright. We're definitely doing better than we did yesterday doing this. So, yeah. I did talk to my brother, and he's going to take a look at what's going
We've
on.
destroyed an enemy cruiser.
See if he can help me with this view that you all see. It's not quite the same as when he does it. And he said it's in the settings so that, and he is my IT, so.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Yeah.
Taking on water quickly. Autopilot mode disabled.
So he'll take a look at it. Maybe we'll get a better look for you guys. Alright.
Problem solved, sir. Autopilot mode enabled.
Problem solved, sir. Yeah, we won this one, folks. He's about dead. And we're all over him. And there he goes. Alright, we're going to do this again. I like that. We done much better. Much better. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Let's go ahead and drop another quarter. Alright. There's your quarter. Now, you younger folks wouldn't understand dropping a quarter. Back in the day, the only way to play a video game is we had to go to an arcade and drop our quarters in the machine in order to play them. That was back before everybody had a computer. Computers were few and far between in the late 70s, early 80s. And the internet didn't come along till the mid 80s, I think it was. So, yeah, I'm giving away age. But, oh well. Alright, alright, alright. Had me some nuts and some blueberries. My coffee. We've had a pretty good lunch today. Alright, here we go, folks.
Action stations.
Action stations. Stations. Alright. We got a submarine and an aircraft carrier, 3 battleships, 2 cruisers.
Thank you.
2 subs and 1 destroyer. Now, the other team has the exact same lineup. That's one thing I do like about the game. They line it up. You don't have 5 battleships against 1 battleship. They equal it out very well per battle. The World of Warships, in total, is a pretty good game for them that enjoy these type games but don't want to invest in buying a game. It's free online and anybody can get a hold of this game. And trust me, it can be addicting. I've been playing a couple years, so
All forces, provide cover for that target.
Yeah. Alright, what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and set our autopilot. We're going to come straight across.
Autopilot mode enabled.
I said straight across, not an angle. That's angled. That's angled. Oh well, close enough. Mercy day. Yeah, we will be broadside and be giving them a little bigger target. But we're not setting right up in the mix. Alright, let's see about that battleship. He's not close enough yet. That cruiser is. I got a clear shot at it. Oh yeah. He's shooting at me. I see him coming. Knock, knock. Let's see a destroyer off to the starboard side of him, or submarine one. But right now I just gotta concentrate on him. Let's set him afire, folks.
Autopilot mode disabled. Enemy battleship detected.
Alright, there he is. Took him down.
Enemy cruiser sunk.
Send him to Davy Jones. We did. Yes, sir, we did. All right, let's go look for our next victim. Where is the bozo? Hello, bozo. I see you. And I'm coming for you. You can't hide in no sewer drain. I'm coming for you.
Reporting the position of a strategic target. Enemy submarine in sight.
My. I'm gonna come back over here.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
See what we'll do with this here guy trying to sneak over around the backside. Let's say tap tap. I says, well, mercy, they done tapped on me. Alright. They're pretty much out of range now, but I've got a couple taps on him. So that should knock him out. Boom. Alright, we got 2 kills, folks.
Enemy cruiser foundered.
We're gonna turn up here. And we're gonna go say hello. Hello, my friend. Hello.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Alright, now I can see we have a very strong force against them. Well, we're gonna win this one, folks, that's for sure. They got 3 ships, we've only lost 1. So yeah.
All stations, concentrate fire on the target. I need help. Affirmative. Affirmative. I owe you one.
I can't hit him yet. Darn island's in the way. Boost them up, boys.
Engine boost activated.
Alright, got that engine boost going. Brings us up to, well, we're at 30.8 knots, 31 knots.
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target.
Tap, tap. We captured that area. Try and get that CV some relief. I think it might be a little too late, but I'm going to do my best to help them out. Just keep working on that battleship. That's all we can do, folks. Do what we can to help them out.
Designated target. Affirmative.
And the aircraft carrier coming to his aid.
Deactivated.
So, yeah. But we all closing in now. It won't be long. We'll have them done taken care of. And now they're going to shoot back at me for some reason. Like I ain't done nothing to them. I just been saying tap tap. All right.
Our victory is in sight. All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target.
There goes that aircraft carrier. Boom, 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 boom. He got him.
Autopilot mode disabled.
Like the secondary's going after him. I'll wear him down. Bye bye, baby. Scratch 1 battleship.
Repel air attack.
Quit glitching. Now I know I hit him. Darn thing kept glitching. Darn it. Alright now. Oh. There we go, folks. We had 2 kills. We set 5 afire, 5 defends, 1 assisted in capture of area, 5 secondary hits, 32 major hits, 1 plane taken down, 70,068 silvers. We got 596 stars, 60 green stars. Alright, we got time for one more. Let's drop a quarter. Mm-mm-mm. Now that's a battle. I don't, when you go in and you drop 20 hits on a battleship, and they hit you one time and eat your lunch, it becomes very, why? You know, why even bother? And that's the way it is in the higher up levels. People pay to play and they buy all this specialty stuff they can buy. And somebody that's just trying to enjoy the game has no competition for them. So why even attempt it? I mean,
Awaiting instructions.
yes, sir, Bob. Okay, but you get down here level 5 and lower, you don't have that as much. Everybody wants the bigger, badder, newer, and sort of pretty much the way the new generation is. They gotta have the best and the newest and outdo the. Nah. That's like my old truck. It might be old, but at the same time, it does the same job as a brand new one does. So it gets me to the grocery, it gets me to the doctor, gets me to see my family when I need it, wanted to. And for a big truck, it doesn't do real bad. Depending on how I work my foot, I do have a tendency to have a heavy foot. But even at that there, I get 17 to 19 miles to a gallon. And we're talking big old Toyota Tundra, 2011 model. My other Toyota that I traded in on this had right at 400,000 miles when I traded it in on this truck. And this truck here was only a year old at that time. So, there you go. It was 2 years old, excuse me. It was 2 years old. And at that time, it only had like 87,000 on it. And it's now got like 150, 160 on it. So if I get 400,000 out of this, like I did the other one was 400,000, chances are this will be the last vehicle I need. It's been a nice truck. It's been a really nice truck. I did get sideswiped in it. Well, excuse me. The lady made an unsafe lane change, drove right up the side of me, and insurance covered it. Still put me without a vehicle for a while. But the body's straight, paint's fair, and not many people can say that about a 14-year-old truck. 14-year-old truck, you got to expect to have some problems. I don't have any problems. Other than maybe the paint's a little bit faded here and there on the roof, but for the most part, there ain't nothing wrong with this truck. Still gets me to going where I needed to go. And other than maintenance, fuel, brake job now and again, tires, maintenance stuff,
Our team has taken the
I've
lead.
not had to put any real money into the truck. It hadn't been, Toyota's good about not
Autopilot
just
mode
breaking
enabled.
down, When they do break down, oh Lord, they gonna eat your lunch. The biggest thing I've had happen thus far in that truck was the windshield washer motor went out. The wipers still worked, but the motor that brings the washer fluid to the windshield, it had to be replaced. And my brother and I did that in just a couple hours. And it wasn't really that expensive. I think it cost like $40. So it wasn't real bad.
Engine boost activated.
But anyway, Toyota did not sponsor this video. I'm just talking about a truck that I have. It's a good truck. Open and shut right there. I'm sold on Toyota product, but they are not and did not sponsor this video. I'm not near that big yet. One day, maybe not, who knows. But for right now, that's a video, folks. I sure hope you enjoy it. May God bless you and keep you. And we will talk to you next time.